Welcome back on the channel. Today we're gonna do a speed test between Redmi Note 8T. This phone just been launched on this month, November, and Galaxy A50, a real mid-range on the market at this moment, one of the best actually on this moment. So we're gonna do a speed test. We're gonna find out which one can open all the apps and games faster than the other one, and we're gonna find out which one can keep them better on the background. Look at this moment, a quick comparison between these two phones, how thick it's A50 against Redmi Note 8T. We got 7.6 millimeters against 8.6 millimeters, and I can see the difference right on the table right here. So we got an AMOLED screen for Galaxy A50 and we got an IPS display for Redmi Note 8T. The chipset is different, so we got a Snapdragon 665 on 11 nanometers on Redmi Note 8T, and we got an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers on Galaxy A50. So we got 11 nanometers against 10 nanometers. We got 4 GB of RAM on each phone. We got 64 storage on Note 8T, and we got 128 on Galaxy A50. The GPU, it's an Adreno 610 for 8T and Mali G72 on Galaxy A50. Okay, so at this moment, except the Wi-Fi, I've got no GPS or location. Also NFC turned on for any of these two phones, and you can see this right here, location, no location, and no NFC. Where is NFC on A50? Let's have a look. Here, right here. So no NFC and location turned on for any of these two devices. Also no animation turned off for any of these two devices. So we're just gonna straight go to open all the apps and games, nothing on the background also. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first app, which is calendar on 3, 2, 1. I think it was Note 8. Yeah, 8T again. All right, interesting. 8T again. Wow. Okay, I think it was 8T again. Which one? 8T again, followed by A50. Interesting. Come on, see which one. Okay, 8T again. Wow, it's amazing that 8T did open most of the apps until this moment, and look at the internet speed. Interesting that on my previous test 8T didn't open any of the apps against 8T 8 Pro, sorry. So would be interesting to see a test between Galaxy 50 and Redmi Note 8 Pro, because these two phones are coming on that mid-range zone. So at this moment I will say that Redmi Note 8 Pro, it's a winner on that mid-range zone, because Note 8T didn't open any of the apps faster than Redmi Note 8 Pro. But on this test, look at this, it did open most of the apps against Galaxy A50. This is quite interesting, amazing. So we got the speed, it's quite similar on the both phones. Moving on, eBay, and AT is coming back again, his first one, and look on A50. Wow, AT again. I think it was A50 on this moment, but AT is coming back with another one. Which one? Yeah, A50 was on this moment faster. I think A50 did open like 2 apps. So at this moment we got Redmi Note 8T with a few apps more than Galaxy A50 that did open it. So see on the games now, looks like 8 A50, it's the first one, followed by Galaxy A50. And let's move on to the next one, which is Temple Run. And again 8T. Let's see now. Yeah, okay, was 8T. And the last one of the heaviest one. Okay, seems that 8T was the first one who did open the game. So this Snapdragon is doing a great job on this Redmi Note 8T. It's on 11 nanometers, but the Exynos is on 10 nanometers, 4 gigabytes of RAM on each phone. So okay, we got Galaxy A50. Yeah, I'll put this on Galaxy A50, and followed by Redmi Note 8T. But after this first round, I will say that Redmi Note 8T was a winner. Let's go backwards and let's have a look, see which one. Yeah, was Redmi Note 8T. Did open, did keep the games better on the background. Yeah, was 8T. So we're gonna give it to 8T on this moment. Let's move on the next one. Yeah, okay. Oh, this one A50, keep the game better on the background than Note 8T, which this one just start the game again. So we're gonna give this to A50. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Ali A50. Now 8T, followed by A50. Okay, A50, A50 again. Now 8T. So this is a battle, like which one it's keeping better the apps on the background, when it's A50, when it's Redmi Note 8T. So it's like one up. Yeah, again 8T this time, and should be A50 now, and then should be 8T. Yeah, and then should be like A50. No, was 8T on this moment. Anyway, doesn't matter. So on this second round was quite equal between these two phones, but overall did a good job Redmi Note 8T, because did open most of the apps and games on the first round, and was quite better than Galaxy A50. Was interesting to see that. So I hope you make an opinion about these two phones, and share your thoughts in that comment section, and hope to see you again with another interesting video. So maybe for the next time we're gonna do the big battle between Galaxy A50 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. We're gonna see which one is better between these two great phones. Would be a battle on that mid-range zone, let's say. So thank you again for watching. Give it a like, share, subscribe if you want, and see you again with another video.